Asparagus, celebrated for its delicate flavor and slender, vibrant spears, emerges not only as a culinary delight but as a nutritional treasure trove with a multitude of health benefits. Bursting with essential vitamins such as A, C, E, and K, as well as folate, fiber, and an array of minerals, asparagus holds a pivotal role in supporting overall well-being. From promoting digestive health through its fiber content to contributing to heart health and blood sugar regulation, asparagus offers a diverse range of advantages. Rich in antioxidants, this vegetable combats oxidative stress and may play a role in preventing inflammation. Here are 13 reasons why incorporating asparagus into your meals can contribute to overall well-being. Rich in nutrients, asparagus is a nutrient-dense vegetable, providing a good source of vitamins A, C, E, and K, as well as folate, fiber, and various minerals. Digestive health, the fiber content in asparagus promotes a healthy digestive system, aiding in regular bowel movements and supporting gut health. Antioxidant power, asparagus contains antioxidants such as vitamin C, E, and glutathione, helping combat oxidative stress and protect cells from damage. Heart health, asparagus supports heart health through its fiber content, which helps lower cholesterol levels, and its folate, which contributes to cardiovascular well-being. Blood sugar regulation, the fiber in asparagus aids in stabilizing blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for individuals managing diabetes. Weight management, low in calories and high in fiber, asparagus is a satisfying and nutritious option for those aiming to manage their weight. Bone health, asparagus is a good source of vitamin K, contributing to bone health by aiding in calcium absorption and bone mineralization. Vision support, asparagus contains antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, promoting eye health and preventing age-related macular degeneration. Pregnancy support, asparagus provides folate, a crucial nutrient during pregnancy that helps prevent neural tube defects in the developing fetus. Detoxification, asparagus contains compounds that support the body's natural detoxification processes, aiding in the elimination of toxins. Urinary health, asparagus has mild diuretic properties, promoting healthy kidney function and potentially reducing the risk of urinary tract infections. Brain health, folate in asparagus is essential for brain health, supporting cognitive function and potentially reducing the risk of age-related cognitive decline. Improved mood, asparagus contains tryptophan, a precursor to serotonin also linked to mood regulation. Folate deficiency has been associated with a higher risk of depression, making asparagus a valuable addition to support mental health.
Thank you so much for watching. Please like it, subscribe, and hit the bell button, because you'll get notified when we publish the next video. I'll see you in the next one.